Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change display screens or layouts cycle on SONY ZV-E10 Mark II. So display or DISP as a short is the button on our D-pad at the top, which is used to change the layout of our camera to enable or disable the additional elements of it. So for example, we can enable the histogram this way, and we can also enable the leveler, and so we can easily navigate between different displays. Now, in order to change this cycle, we have to press menu button, and then we're gonna have to press D-pad arrow key several times, scroll down to the last menu on the list, which is the setup. Then we're gonna have to scroll down to operation customize and scroll down to DISP Set. Now if you want to enable or disable some of the displays in here, just hit the checkbox or uncheck the checkbox next to this option, and then click enter to confirm. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.